Hi everyone, Natasha here. Welcome to Natasha's Healthy Living, where we are nurturing wellness naturally. One of the ways that I like to do that is by implementing simple systems I can use around my home to help keep things running, but also take the pressure off and give myself some grace along the way. Today we're going to be talking about some of the things that I'm incorporating to set up some simple routines and rhythms to help keep things going throughout the summer and still have lots of downtime and fun time to enjoy the lighter schedule. So stay tuned for that and welcome to my office. Welcome back to my home. I'm so glad you're joining me today. As I mentioned, we're going to be talking about some of the things I'm doing to incorporate some simple rhythms and keep things moving along in my home while still enjoying the summer and having a more relaxed and flexible schedule. So today I'm going to show you how I mix the FlyLady routines and a day of the week focus and zone cleaning, plus a new little home maintenance trick I'm using that is inspired by the Sidetracked Home Executives and uses index cards. So let's dive in. Summer changes everything, right? School is out, the weather is hot, and we want more flexibility. But without a rhythm, things slip and chaos creeps in. That's why I love using gentle systems that work with my life, not against it. So I start with some basic things in the FlyLady system, like my morning and afternoon and evening routine. And I also incorporate the day of the week focus and the zone cleaning. So those simple systems help me keep things moving along, but stay flexible with whatever we might have going on a certain day. For example, on Tuesdays and Thursdays, I work outside the home, so I need routines that keep the house running even when I'm gone. So first, the FlyLady's 3 daily routines anchor my day. My morning routine is simple. I start with making the bed and getting dressed to shoes, and then I do a quick swish and swipe in a bathroom. Today I'm using the example of my master bathroom, which is right off of our bedroom, but I have several other bathrooms in the home, so I take turns which one I clean each day. And then I will start a load of laundry. So today I'm gathering up the towels and rugs from our bathroom, and depending on the day, it could be a different load of laundry that I get started before we head out the door in the morning. Now, my swish and swipe in a bathroom doesn't always entail a deeper clean like I'm showing here today, but it was time to take everything off the counter and really dust and wipe down everything really well. And so I got that done pretty quickly, and then I was able to move on to starting the load of laundry. But if it's a lighter swish and swipe day, especially in places like our guest bathroom, then I can get that done in even less time. In the afternoon, usually my daughter and I both need a snack. If she's coming home from summer school, then it'll be an after-school snack. And I'll also check the dinner plan, so if there's anything I can chop ahead of time or get it prepped, I can work on that. And then I will do a 5-minute tidy. Usually it's in the kitchen because there always seems to be piles and stuff to put away that accumulate in the kitchen, and move the laundry along as well so that I'm switching that load to the dryer before the end of the evening. In the evening, after dinner, I will do the dishes and put them away and shine my sink. I'll go through my closet and set out my pair of clothes for the next day and look over tomorrow's to-do list. And this resets the house and my mind, so I go to bed knowing what I have in store for me the next day and feeling prepared. FlyLady also teaches having a focus for each day, like weekly home blessing, errand day, paperwork day, etc. So my summer version is sort of an adjusted schedule. On Mondays, I'm typically working from home, so I can do my weekly home blessing hour and start on some of my paperwork, budget update, things like that while I'm at home. Tuesdays and Thursdays I'm at work, so typically Tuesdays are pretty full and my work day is the full length of time while my daughter's in school. So that is the only thing on my agenda for the day. However, Thursday I will usually have a little lighter work day, so I can leave work a few minutes early and run some errands as well. Sometimes it's just picking up groceries from a grocery order at Aldi or making a few other stops before we head home after summer school. Wednesdays, I'm often working from home, so that is another day that I can do some cleaning around my home aside from my work duties. You're working on my Jordan Essentials business, some of my YouTube tasks, things like that. And then Friday, typically we're sort of wrapping up the week. So that's when I'll do things like clean out my purse, make sure my car is kind of cleaned out for the week, and get ready for some fun for the weekend and just some downtime at home as a family. Having this FlyLady system sort of running behind the scenes helps me know what each day has in store, and it helps me stay proactive and not feel like I'm constantly catching up. And it leaves me a little freedom so that I know I'm not trying to do all of my errands anytime I'm in town, and I'm not trying to do all of the housework on any given day when I'm at home. Because I know there's this rhythm to my week, I can plan accordingly. Something else I do as we shift into the summer months is to keep a rhythm going with my zone cleaning. This is a FlyLady concept, but there's other cleaning methods that talk about zone cleaning as well. But I use the FlyLady system in that I divide my home into 5 sections, and each week we focus on a different section. So it's a chance to do some of those deeper cleaning tasks and get those done periodically, but I'm not trying to do it all at once. So for example, in the week that we're focusing on the kitchen, I might do extra things like wipe the front of the cabinets or declutter a drawer, or take a look at my pantry and maybe declutter and tidy up a few of the shelves. So it keeps things moving along and not getting too far beyond what I can do and keep up with in a reasonable amount of time. And it just helps me stay on top of things around my home. This summer, I added a new layer, an index card system inspired by the book Sidetracked Home Executives. I'll have this book linked in the description box down below. It was a really fun read and was inspiring because it's actually the precursor to the FlyLady system. The FlyLady got her ideas from these two sisters and incorporated some of her own ideas as well. I really like it because it's an analog system that allows anyone in my household to access it at any point. It makes it easy for me to delegate, and it is a lot less overwhelming to just pick one card and work on that task quickly instead of seeing a big list of tasks that need to be done. And it's also saved me from rewriting the same tasks over and over again. So if you'd like me to do a video where I go into more detail about how these index cards work, I'm happy to do that. Just let me know in the comments if that's something you're interested in seeing. Essentially, each card has its own task and there's some color coding involved, and you just rotate through every week and every month. It's simple and it keeps my house in good shape without overwhelming me. By keeping these systems simple, I free up time for what matters: my family, my faith, my health, and my Jordan Essentials business. I don't have to choose between a clean home and a meaningful life. I can have both, imperfectly but joyfully. Once those dishes were done, it was nice to use some lotion bar and get my hands moisturized again. And then I took my cup of tea and my planner out to the front porch just to enjoy some fresh air and the beautiful weather we're having. Even though it's been kind of rainy, it's nice to have these cooler days and to enjoy some time out there. So if you'd like to see more about how I use the FlyLady system around my home, I have videos about my weekly home blessing hour, my day of the week routine, my zone cleaning, and I'll have all that linked in the description box down below. There's also a link to my video from last week if you want to see my Sunday reset, and that video does include a free printable if you want my Sunday reset checklist just to use as some inspiration. You're welcome to click over and take a look at that. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Share this video if you found it helpful, and I'd love to hear in the comments. Tell us what's your favorite summer rhythm or tip. How do you like to keep things moving along and still enjoy the fun and freedom of the summer? Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.